Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 3.8% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 2.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.7% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.3% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The United States has become a global crude oil exporting power over the last few years, but exports have not exceeded its imports since World War II. That could change next year. Sales of US crude to other nations are now a record 3.4 million barrels per day. The yen surged to a 4-year peak against the dollar after the Bank of Japan said it would review its yield curve control policy and widened the trading band for the 10-year government bond yield in an unexpected tweak. The UK's wide-ranging financial services and markets bill, which could give regulators more power over crypto, should be passed into law by next spring, a Treasury spokesperson said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT, the US current account at 1330 GMT, Japan's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.